Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use ClickUp to manage product launches effortlessly. Our first step is to create a project specifically for your product launch. In ClickUp, a project is a dedicated space for your tasks. The reason we do this is to keep all related tasks organized and in one place. Now that we have our project, let's add tasks. Tasks are the key components of your project. They could be anything from market research to the actual product launch. This helps us because it breaks down the mammoth task of a product launch into bite-sized, manageable parts. Next up is assigning these tasks. In ClickUp, you can assign tasks to specific team members, ensuring everyone knows what they're responsible for. Let me explain why this matters. It helps to distribute workload evenly, reduces confusion, and ensures accountability. After we've assigned tasks, we'll set due dates. ClickUp allows you to set due dates for each task and even send reminders. This is important because it keeps everyone on track and ensures that we stick to our launch timeline. Finally, we'll use ClickUp's status feature to keep track of progress. You can set statuses like to do, in progress, or complete. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This gives everyone a clear understanding of where we are in the product launch process. And there you have it. That's how we use ClickUp to manage product launches. Remember, the key is to create and assign tasks, set due dates, and keep track of progress. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your product launch.